To get started, once you've logged into your account and you're here on the dashboard, go ahead and click on Marketing here on the left-hand side panel. This is going to open up the Marketing tab and reveal all the different features within the Marketing section of the platform. Now, to start with, among these multiple tabs here at the top, the first one we have is Social Planner. So one of the amazing things that we've built inside of our platform is the ability to review, manage, and schedule social media posts and post them directly to your platforms, directly from the platform and this software itself. So you have a full social media planning suite built into your account for you. Just go ahead and connect your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, whatever social media accounts you have. Go ahead and link them up into here and you'll have a full social media planning suite built right into your account at no extra cost, available for you to utilize and start generating leads using your social media posts. The next option here on the top tab is emails. So now these are email campaigns, more specifically promotional email campaigns. So in here we can create new campaigns. We can also go ahead and create templates. So if we want to create email templates for new promos, for new upcoming deals, for new recurring deals that we release every quarter, we can do so in here and create email templates by going in and clicking new and then following the instructions to create those email templates. We also have template snippets. So now the difference here between template snippets and template emails is snippets are more generic messages rather than campaign emails. So for example, a campaign email will allow you to input images, text, buttons, links, everything in there to make the email look pretty and make it look on brand to you and your business. Whereas templates are more text orientated. So you can create a text template or an email template. A text is an SMS template or an email template. If I click on add email template, it's going to allow me to add an email template here with the sender name, the subject, and then going ahead and just typing in an email as if I was actually sending this person a physical email. So you can create an email like this. Maybe it's a follow-up email. Maybe it's then like, hey, I saw you contacted my business the other day. I saw that you purchased a product. Just wanted to check in on how your experience was. And you send that as the format of a normal email. So the prospect thinks that you've taken the time to reach out to them personally and send them that email rather than getting a marketing email from your business with images and all the other sorts, which looks great, but it doesn't look like it's from an actual person. So they're two different template styles and they both work great. Next thing we have is a new feature called countdown timers. Now these are timers that you can create and actually embed into your emails. So for example, if you want to create some urgency to your email templates, you can create a timer here, such as let's say this progress timer, and then we can save this in our accounts and we can then actually embed this into our email templates, more specifically our promotional email campaigns. And then finally, we have trigger links. Now, trigger links are links that we can create and put inside SMS texts as well as emails and allow us to track the activity around those links. Let's say we want to know if the user has clicked the link, but they haven't reviewed our page on the Google review page. What we can actually do is, before sending the link, is click on add link here, put in the URL that we want to put, save this as a trigger link, and then send the trigger link to our prospects. This means that every time the user and the recipient clicks on that link, we can manage the activity of the user on those links once they've clicked on those trigger links. So really, really valuable piece of information here and tool that we can use in our marketing to see exactly what our prospects are doing, exactly what activity they're performing once they're engaging with our business and our contact. And so that is the marketing tab within your account. That should show you the social media planner, the promotional emails, the templates of SMS and emails, as well as the countdown timers and trigger links that you can create within your account. If you have any questions on any of these tools, please feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be more than happy to help. Or alternatively, go ahead and view the rest of the videos inside of this course.